Shayoni Gupta is a Jabra fan of ...
Jabra fan of Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan or Ranbir Kapoor, who's more desirable?
Well, both actually. Can I do a threesome? Amongst our girlfriends, that the size of your feet is proportionate to the size of whatever. So I have caught myself, sort of randomly checking out people's feet like shoes. I'm like, oh, I want. I'm like a full Zoya and Zoya Akhtar, Reema Kadgi like stalker. I see all their interviews. I'm like totally in love with that.
Whom would you go for career advice?
Shah Rukh Khan. I think
Shah Rukh Khan?
yeah. He's quite real Shah Rukh Khan.
Who has a better sense of humor?
Who has a better sense of humor? Between
Between anyone that you've known,
Shah Rukh Khan?
he has the best sense of humor?
Yeah, amazing. Manoj
Okay.
Pawar also.
Yeah, I think he's outstanding in the
Yeah,
film.
yeah.
In fact, one quality that the following person has that others don't have.
Okay.
Ayushmann Khurrana. One quality that Ayushmann Khurrana has that others don't.
His head so like well put on his shoulders. Like it's like, head on his shoulders bolte hai na ki it's like ekdam matlab grounded hai. So I think that quality.
If not an actor, what would the following people be? Shah Rukh Khan.
A great reality TV host. Or maybe he could host Jeopardy, this American show.
Priyanka Chopra.
She'd be a great management person. I think she has great administrative skills. So maybe in the bureaucracy or like a head of like a multinational company, like a CEO of a company.
All right. Deepika Padukone.
She could be. I think she would be a great manager. I think she seems very meticulous. So she would like be a great manager.
Favorite genre of movies?
Okay, comedy and rom-coms. Oh, sucker for rom-coms.
Okay, an actor or director you'd like to work with next?
Zoya Akhtar. Love her. I'm like a full Zoya and Zoya Akhtar, Reema Kadgi like stalker. I see all their interviews. I'm like totally in love with that
Actor?
duo.
Actor?
Definitely Shah Rukh. Again.
Would like to do a biopic, and whose biopic would you like to do?
I've always wanted to do Shakuntala Devi's biopic, but it's getting made and Vidya is doing it. And Anu Menon, who directed the first season of Four More Shots, is making it. So I'm very, very, very
interesting.
happy for her. Yeah.
Okay, what's the quirkiest thought you've ever had about a total stranger?
Oh, what does it mean? Quirkiest thought about a stranger?
Right.
I don't know what quirky means like in this context actually. Like
Strangest thought.
strangest thought.
He's
obviously something sexual.
I was not. I was
He
not.
can't even lie properly. No, actually, sometimes I would. No, sometimes.
Quirky can be quirky.
Okay, sometimes because we have a thing in amongst our girlfriends that the size of your feet is proportionate to the size of whatever. So I have caught myself, sort of randomly checking out people's feet like shoes. I'm like, oh, I want.
All right. What's your
He's like, okay. He's suddenly looking at his own.
I did not. What's your favorite way to propose
did.
to a guy?
I find you really interesting. Could we go out for a drink and have a conversation?
See, she's being direct. That's nice.
Okay. One question your boyfriend should never ask you.
How many were there before me? What's your number? Yeah, number.
Okay. Have you ever fantasized about your friend's boyfriend?
Never. It's a complete bro code. I would never ever think. वो भाई जैसा हो जाता है. Cis code, yeah.
Have you ever made out with someone whose name you never knew?
No, never. नहीं.
So you always know.
Yeah.
The name.
Yeah. I haven't had a one night stand.
Have you ever kicked a boy between two legs?
No, I haven't, but I have stamped feet with all my might with my heels. And when I was very young, I think I was around 8, 9, I was getting groped in a bus, and I was wearing my little kitten heels and by this like old uncle, and I remember like really going deep and like really enjoying his feet with my heels. So
Alright. Have you ever faced casting couch?
Never. Thankfully not. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood.
Shayoni Gupta is a Jabra fan of ...
Jabra fan of Shah Rukh Khan.
Anything else? That's like very predictable actually, to be honest. To be honest.
Jabra fan of of dancing. No?
Acha, you like dancing?
I love. I've trained for many years.
Great, like Indian classical or?
Yeah, Bharatanatyam for almost 16-17 years. Then I did contemporary modern in Delhi.
Wow, wow. Your honest first reaction when people pronounce your name as Sayani and not as Shayoni?
You know, my parents were a little more creative than naming me Sayani.
Right.
I am not Sayani at all by any means. Shayoni actually means twilight and it's a really pretty name. But my whole life has gone into every single conversation. The first 10 minutes goes into explaining why. And it's a wrong spelling, so it's, yeah. My parents never thought I'm going to go out of Bengal, so they spelled it as S-A-Y-N-I.
Okay. Shayoni.
Yeah, you can call me Shy,
Shy?
although I'm hardly shy.
I'll call you Shayoni. Shayoni? Okay. Your first celebrity crush in Bollywood?
Devanand
Devanand?
died, I had seen, and I wanted to marry him. And then I saw a disco dancer, and I wanted to marry Mithun Chakravarti.
Very interesting, very interesting,
Yeah,
very
so these
interesting.
two, yeah. Devanand I still love.
Very interesting that she's passed out from FTI, but she loves disco dancer as well. So, film that the FTI
You know, my
Walas
favorite-
would love to hate.
Govinda
Would
used
love
to
to
be
rip them
one of my
apart.
favorite actors.
One thing you like to change about India and Bollywood?
I think equality is a big problem, and I mean, it really pains me deeply that we are third in number, you know, in the world when it comes to the richest billionaires in the world, but we are 130th when it comes to human resource development, and it's obnoxious, you know, it's grotesque, and the kind of disparity that you see, the marginalized are getting pushed around even more, and the rich are just getting, richer. And I think basic things like, you know, education, medicine, potable water, sanitation, healthcare are things that must, you know, it's a must. Every single person who's born into the nation has to get it, no matter who is in power. We cannot call ourselves developed. There's so much money in India. There's so much. There's a lot of money, you know, but it's only in the hands of few, and which is the problem. So I think equality is a big problem. And right now, again, this whole thing of dissent, I think everyone should be able to speak their minds, express what they feel, and not be put behind bars. It's very basic. We are one of the oldest civilizations in the world.
Absolutely.
And education is of utmost priority. I'm not talking about reservation, but primary education should be made free to one and all. That is there. And Bollywood, I think, is going through a really interesting phase because there's a lot of new talent coming in, writers, directors, people who are putting in money, actors. They're all, and I think we are going through a really interesting phase of, you know, where content is king. And I think you would agree with that.
Absolutely,
You know,
absolutely.
even the commercial films are really doing well. But even films like Piku and Bajrangi Bhaijaan, who are doing which are doing very well, have really good storylines. So, you know, I think that line between parallel cinema and commercial cinema is blurring because an audience has become really smart. So you know, you could have a really big film with a big star, but not necessarily it will do well.
If you have to choose between one, like either Shah Rukh or Kalki to get intimate with, whom would you choose?
Shahrukh, yeah, of course. कल की हो गया है. वो तो अभी घर की उम्र की है.
React in one word or sentence to the following. If you have to react in one word or sentence to the following. Yash Raj Films.
Dream come true.
Aditya Chopra.
Want to meet very soon, hopefully.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Want to be married to.
Kalki.
Actually, Shah Rukh Khan, I want to be a slave to.
You're giving too many ideas actually. Okay, Kalki.
No, it's actually Kalki. I'm a wife. She's my husband. Really, in real life, she's my husband. I'm a wife, and we have a very convenient relation. It's a very symbiotic relationship. Like I take her mother out for dinner, and it's very like nice like that. You know, she does stuff for me, I do stuff for her. We also have a plan. If we both can't find men in life, we're both single, then we might actually
hook up together,
adopt a baby together. No, not sexually. These are very like, you know, like we might have a baby raise a baby together. That's the plan.
Katrina Kaif.
Love, beauty she is.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh, what energy! Like incredible.
Right.
I want to really get his energy. I was telling him also, I was like, how do you do this, man? Like, what is it? His blood is made of something else. It's incredible. Yeah, love.